Hey guys, it's Scarlett with Build Across, and today I'm going to show you how we paint our third and final part of our Mardi Gras mask door hanger. First, I'm going to go in with some dark purple paint and paint the entire mask. This mask is a 22-inch cutout cut on a 1/4 inch MDF. It's our favorite size for door hangers. Now I'm going to go in with some lavender paint that I use mixing some white and some of the dark purple. And I'm going to use probably a number 3 detailed brush for this. And I'm just going to start adding swirls. When you do swirls, you want to make sure that you start from the outer edges and work your way in. And don't do too many loops. You really want to keep it to 1 or 2 loops to keep it uniformed and not looking messy. And even though this shape is a 22-inch shape, just like our normal door hangers, most of our door hangers are longer and taller. They're more proportionate, and since this is kind of skinny, it gave me the idea to use the 3 masks together to really give it an impact and it not be like a scrawny little mask on your door. I think this would also be really cute, just a single mask and a wreath. Now I'm going to go in with my 00 detailed brush, my favorite brush for detailing, and some black paint. This black paint is Apple Barrel. It's my favorite black paint for detailing. And I'm just going to go back over those swirls that I just did just to kind of highlight them. You want to make sure that this swirl is thinner than the purple, and you don't have to cover the swirl up. You just kind of want to highlight it. After this step is done, I'm going to go in with some of my metallic gold paint, and I'm going to do a little swirl detail on the corner of the eye. And I know this looks kind of messy right now, but the gold paint is very see-through. So really what I'm doing right here is just trying to get my first coat, and I'm going to go back later and finish it. So it doesn't matter that my black paint is mixing a little bit, even though you're always better off waiting on the paint to dry, but sometimes I have a hard time waiting. Just doing a little detail on this corner of the eye, the inner corner. Now I'm going in with my 00 brush and some white paint. I believe this is the Dixie Belle in the color Cotton. I really love this white paint, and I'm just going to kind of highlight around the edges. This is kind of a darker mask, so I really like when my projects are turning out kind of dark, I really like to go in with some white paint and just highlight everything. It makes it, a lot brighter. And this step also kind of helps you to be able to see the mask, kind of outlines the details of the corners, because if you just leave it dark, all of that can kind of get lost. And now I'm just going in with some black paint and highlighting the gold detail on the corner of the eye. And that's it, you guys. Another really simple mask that's going to look so cute with the other 3 masks. I hope you've enjoyed this series of 3 tutorials. Remember to like and share, and have a great day.